First of all, this is about our 5th year out here for a National Night Out. We thanks to Target for supporting our event. But it's a great community event. We can showcase all the things that we've got, the police department does, fire department, we've got DEA here, of course our 2 helicopters that we've got with Jefferson County Air Support Unit, our SWAT. Everybody loves to see the SWAT stuff and the guns. Our bomb dog is over here, Hans, licking most of the people that it comes in contact with. But we just appreciate the community support and glad to have a good community night.